So my suggestion to you guys, go small and go for big movements, right? By that point, you spend less, but if the market is gonna jump, you're gonna have a very good, decent profit on top of that small investment. So let's go back to the position and to the first conversation that we had. So as you see, so the market now is consolidating. When the market became like this, so we call that the consolidation market. That means the market is indecision. So the number of the sellers and the buyers are almost equal. And because of that, the market is indecision. That means the market is kind of doesn't know which direction it's gonna move. So, but it's not gonna stay that way for a long time. At some point, the market is gonna make its decision and it's gonna move either up or down. So, based off my assumption, it's supposed to go up, but we're gonna see. We're gonna wait for it to see. So I'm gonna post in the next video the rest of this position in order to give you some sort of idea. If the market is gonna go against me, what's the second plan for it? And if it's gonna go in favor of me, so I'm gonna make a good money, I'm gonna cash out, right? And wait for the other opportunity. But you guys might ask right now, since the market dropped so much down and my cap was so small, so the market has been dropped so much in order to erode like 300 and some change in my account. And you're absolutely right in that matter. But in order to see what was the reason that I got to this position and I'm still hold on to it. So if I'm gonna change my chart to daily chart, which is this one. Okay, so here you're gonna see the actual movement of the market. So as you see, the market back to almost a month ago hit $4,112.34, and it just bounced back all the way down to $1,383.89 cents. And as you see, this small B over here that I'm trying to make it bigger for you guys. So this B over here, so this is the position that I got into, and the market goes against me, but I'm just waiting for it. As I told you in the previous videos, guys, if you're gonna be a good trader, you gotta be patient. So you gotta learn two things most of the time. First, be patient. Second, learn how to manage your money. So if you're gonna lose your control and do some sort of crazy shitty stuff, so I promise you, at the end of the day, the market is gonna eat you. The market is gonna eat your money, it's gonna eat your brain, and you're gonna be so stressful, and you're gonna be frustrated, and it's gonna kick you out like you are nothing. Me, you, or anybody else in this market, we are nothing. We are just small players. So they can manipulate us, they can take our money away, they can do whatever they want if you cannot control yourself. So you gotta be patient and you gotta be on top of the game in order to be successful. So right now, here is the market and here is my position, minus $323.41. And in the next video, I'm gonna keep this position open. And in the next video, as soon as I'm gonna get some sort of result, either it's gonna go against me or go in favor of me, I'm gonna post a second video for the same position that I have in order to show you guys. So if the market is going to go against me, so what would be my second plan, my B plan? And if it's gonna go in favor of me, so I'm gonna cash out, so I'm gonna walk away from the market with the money in my pocket. Thank you guys.